She told me that she was going to beat me up, and she's beat up men before.
Now, lurking in the background was methamphetamine use.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Good afternoon. Are you Cindy Joyce DeWitt?
Yes.
And you also go by Armor?
Yes.
Which do you prefer?
Armor.
All right, I think you told me that last time. And we discussed, I knew your your former husband, not ex, but all right, this is 241721, Cindy Joyce Armor, also known as Cindy Joyce DeWitt. Charged with 2 counts of assault and battery. It's alleged that on or about September 19th of 2024, the defendant committed assault and battery upon Amanda Armour and Samantha Wells, I think. Attorney Andrew Rogness is here on behalf of the prosecutor's office, and Ross Truckee is here with the defendant. Mr. Rogness took a look at this and discussed it with Mr. Truckee and would agree to dismiss both of these charges for a plea to a charge known as disturbing the peace. Disturbing the peace is an old-fashioned 90-day simple misdemeanor, 90 days and or $500. Normal fine for that is $200. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rogness, you confirm the plea offer?
I'm sorry.
You confirm the plea offer?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. That was our offer after reviewing the report and the victim impact statements and facts and circumstances of the case.
Do you agree, Mr. Truckee?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you signed the waiver of your rights. You understand that by entering this plea, there will be no trial?
Yes, sir.
All the rights that go with it. Anybody threaten you to get you to plead to this?
No, sir.
Promise you anything?
No, sir.
All right. I did take a look at the affidavit. There was we'll call it a scuffle. Not sure what to call it. A disagreement between your stepdaughters. Is that who they were to you?
Yes.
And you. When did Michael pass?
March 23rd. Actual date of death is March 25th of 2024.
All right. So this took place in September.
Correct.
And was it still having to do with some of that?
I believe so. I assume so. I didn't even realize they were upset till they were inside my home.
All right. They came to your home.
Correct.
And then what happened?
She told me that she was going to beat me up, and she's beat up men before, and she was going to beat my ass, and excuse my language, she wanted her dad's cell phone. I told her I did not have it anymore, that my stepdad had it. And then she proceeded to assault me.
And then, so did you guys get into like a scuffle right in the middle of the front door?
Yes, I tried to push them both out of my house because I asked them to leave repeatedly.
All right.
I'm sure my neighbors were upset by the ruckus. The owners of the park, there was a disturbance of the area. I didn't ask for them to come to my house and assault me.
Did you spend a night in jail?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going to call this good. Now, lurking in the background of some of this was methamphetamine use. How are you doing in that regard?
I'm 65 days clean. I've started counseling with Vicki Merrill for grief counseling, substance abuse, and anxiety. I've been attending Celebrate Recovery on a regular basis. I intend to continue to do that. I'm working with my sponsor, Lori.
So is that why all the celebrators are here on your behalf?
Amen.
Yes, and the one is my boy. He's a leader of Celebrate as well. That's Dylan Isaiah DeWitt.
Michael Armour raised me though.
Well, I had mentioned, Mike would come in here on landlord tenant cases at the park for years. I always got along with him. Good for you. Good for you. There's nothing that I would do on a probation that you're not already doing. I don't see any reason to do any more than this. 1 day credit, 1 day. I try to send people over there, as you know. You guys are at the Riverside one, correct?
Yes.
Got a guy in sobriety court who's at the center. He's there every Friday night. All right, Miss Armour, I'm going to fine you $0, but I have to fine you $75 crime victims' rights fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $150 attorney fee. That's $275.
I got that.
Yeah,
Yep.
or just pay it now.
Yes, sir.
All right, this matter is over with.
Thank you.
Thank God.
Thank you, Judge Middleton. I appreciate it.
All right, I'm really pleased to hear all the things you just told me, Miss Armour. You can't do it by yourself. It's like holding your breath. And if you're gonna commit to recovery, you gotta jump in with both feet.
Yeah, I guess I forgot that.
Yeah. Well, you're grieving. And you don't turn that off like a switch. It's a process. And so you're doing what you need to do to take care of yourself.
Thank you. I am.
All right, I'm gonna have the bailiff take you out to the court office. You can pay that fine and you're good to go.
Okay, my money's over there.
All right,
Thank you. Hey, take care, keep up with the stuff.
I will.
all right.
Recruit people.
I wonder why everybody was here, but
It's my people.
yeah, I know, you need people.
I do.
Okay, good for you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.